Listen carefully.
Coin trick.
Make a coin disappear from your friend's hand. Make it vanish in front of your friend's eyes. You can do it with just a quick snap of a magician's fingers. Here is one of the most enjoyable and basic coin magic. Even you will be able to make a coin vanish by following this guide. How to do the trick. 1. Put a coin on the back of your friend's open hand. 2. Bring your hand over your friend's hand. 3. With your thumb and forefinger held together, snap your thumb and forefinger over the coin. The forefinger should flick the coin into your sleeve. The coin should fall out of the sleeve and fall into your hand. Your friend shouldn't see you flick the coin into your sleeve. 4. Show the coin in your hand to your friend. Your friend will be amazed. This is an easy trick, but you need to practice. Practice over and over, and you will be a great magician. Who knows? You could be the next Harry Potter.
Listen carefully. Flu facts.
The flu is an infection caused by flu viruses. Children catch the flu more easily than adults. People with the flu often spread it to others. How is the flu transmitted? It is easy to get the flu. The flu can pass through the air. Someone can give you the flu by coughing or sneezing. You can get the flu by touching the telephone or the doorknob. You can catch it anywhere, even at your school. What are symptoms of the flu? Fever, headache, dry cough, sore throat, and body aches are common flu symptoms. What can you do to prevent the flu? 1. Avoid close contact. Stay away from infected people. People with the flu should stay away from others as well. 2. Stay home when you get the flu. Stay home from school and you won't spread the flu. 3. Cover your mouth and nose. Coughing and sneezing? Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. 4. Clean your hands. Washing your hands will help you stay healthy.
Listen carefully.
Chocolate.
People started eating chocolate 2,000 years ago. The first people who made chocolate were the Aztecs and Mayans. Long ago, chocolate was more than just food. It was a symbol of wealth and luxury. Today it is popular all around the world. Anyone can eat chocolate any time. Chocolate comes from the cocoa tree. The cocoa tree is deep in the jungle of South America's Amazon. The bean of the tree is called a cocoa bean. People pick the beans and dry them. People grind up the beans and mix them with sugar and fat. That is how we get chocolate. There is so much to choose from. Ice cream, cakes, cookies, and more. It has lots of sugar and fat. So, eating too much chocolate can make us fat. Oh, chocolate is bad for our teeth too. However, a little chocolate is A-OK.
Listen carefully. A great cheesecake cup recipe.
Everyone loves cheesecake, right? Well, here's a great cheesecake cup recipe for all you cheesecake lovers. Cheesecake cups are cute little cakes. They are made in muffin pans, so they are perfect portions for kids and diet-conscious adults. Cheesecake cup. Ingredients: 16 vanilla wafer cookies, 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cooking instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line the muffin pans with the cupcake papers. 2. Put 1 vanilla wafer cookie on the bottom of each cupcake paper. In a bowl, mix the cream cheese and sugar together. Beat in the eggs and vanilla extract until smooth. Pour the mix over the cookies in the cupcake papers. 3. Bake them in a preheated oven for 15 minutes until golden.
Listen carefully.
Calling all artists and photographers.
Art and photography contest. Do you like to take pictures? Are you good at drawing or painting? Enter TeenLink's Art and Photography contest. You could showcase your work and win some great prizes too. So hurry and enter. Contest guidelines. Just enter any kind of original artwork. It can be a drawing, a painting, a sculpture, a collage, computer graphics, or some photographs. Create your work of art and simply mail it to us. Contest prizes. Each month, one teen has his or her artwork published in TeenLink magazine. You also have the chance to win cool prizes. The prizes are digital cameras, backpacks, and much more. Send your work to TeenLink, Box 40, Newton, Massachusetts, 02321. Sorry, but we can't return any work. All items sent to us are automatically considered for the contest.
Listen carefully. Jim Carrey Almighty.
Jim Carrey was born in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada in 1962. He enjoyed performing in front of classmates in elementary school. His life was good until his father was fired from his job. After that, his whole family had to get a job at a local factory. Jim quit high school and helped support his family. At the age of 15, Jim began performing at Yuck Yucks. Yuck Yucks is a famous comedy club in Toronto. He continued performing in clubs all over Canada. At age 19, Jim packed his bags and moved to Los Angeles. Soon he was put on tour by a famous comedian, Rodney Dangerfield. Dangerfield was impressed by the young talent. After comedy, Jim started doing movies. He did The Mask, Dumb and Dumber, and Batman Forever. He became very famous through these movies. He continued acting in great films such as Grinch, Majestic, Man on the Moon, Bruce Almighty, Eternal Sunshine, and The Number 23. Thank you, Jim, for sharing your talent with the world.